Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. In today's episode, we're going to take a closer look at the replacement band for the Garmin Forerunner 965 watch. This soft silicone strap is designed to enhance your Garmin Forerunner 965 experience and add a splash of color to your wrist. Stay tuned as we dive into the features and benefits of this colorful band for both women and men. This replacement band is compatible with various Garmin models, including the Garmin Forerunner 965, 955, and 745, as well as Garmin Descent G1, Instinct, Approach S62, Approach S60, Phoenix 6 GPS, and more. It's a versatile option for multiple Garmin smartwatches, ensuring a perfect fit. The band comes with two Garmin 965 watch tools, making it easy to install and remove. The classic buckle allows for simple size adjustment, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit on your wrist. Crafted from high-quality silicone, this band is extremely soft and comfortable to wear. It wraps around your wrist smoothly, preventing any discomfort during prolonged use. The band is available in various vibrant colors, allowing you to match it with your personal style and preferences. Express yourself and stand out from the crowd with this colorful band. If you own a compatible Garmin smartwatch and want to give it a fresh, colorful look, this replacement band is a great choice. Whether you're into fitness or simply want a stylish accessory, this band can complement your daily activities and fashion sense. In summary, the replacement band for the Garmin Forerunner 965 watch is a fantastic choice for those looking to refresh the look of their Garmin smartwatch. With its wide compatibility, comfortable silicone material, and various color options, it's an excellent accessory for both fitness enthusiasts and fashion-conscious individuals. Don't miss out on personalizing your Garmin Forerunner 965 with this stylish and functional band. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or would like to see more reviews like this, feel free to leave your comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting product critiques here on Product Critique.